In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete PandaDoc account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to cancel your subscription. So you want to go to the top right over here, click on your profile, and then click on account settings. Then you want to go to the bottom left here, and you want to click on billing, and from here, you want to cancel your subscription. Then after you've done that, so that's the first part, you want to request account deletion via their contact support menu because there's actually no way to do it with the click of a button. So you want to go to the top right, click on the help button, and click on contact support. In here, you want to click on ask a question, and then you'll basically go into a conversation with a chatbot over here, which first it's going to tell you, of course, hi there, and of course it's going to ask you what help do you need. You want to click on account and billing, then you want to click on other, wait for a few seconds, and type I'd like to delete my account. Now they're going to tell you what all basically is going to be done if you delete your account, and then over here, as you can see, it's going to say that they will connect you with their support team to actually confirm and process this request. Now whenever this happens, you'll basically go into queue, and then they will connect you, of course, with the next available agent whenever they're available, and they'll be able to help you deleting your account. Okay, so that's the only way to delete your account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.